Welcome to day 15 of the Wellspring 6-minute writing prompt mini workshop. Say that again, mini workshop. Thanks again for joining us. And those of you who are friends with me on Facebook will know that it was a bit of a rough night for me last night. Just sort of still working at the cricks in my neck. But one of the things that doing this in the morning does is it gives me something to look forward to in the morning, and it's gratifying and heartwarming to know from your messages that it's something that helps keep you guys going there as well, and it really helps so many of us get off to a positive, good start in the morning, that wee spark of inspiration. So thank you very much for joining us and coming along here each morning. It's amazing how much it's grown. Yesterday we hit 2,000 people, which is amazing considering we just started off with just a small group of writing friends. So thank you so much for being a part of that. I'm going to give, it's 2 weeks now, this is the 2-week anniversary. So I'm going to give a little introduction live to myself and to the reasons that I do the writing prompts each morning. But I'll go into that a little bit more later on. The 8:30 in the morning, it's not about me, it's about helping you guys do your writing. So I'm going to move on to that. And just to let you know as well that these videos are live every day, every week morning on YouTube. You can watch them, on Facebook, and you can now watch them on YouTube as well. I spent a good bit of time yesterday looking at that, which is why today's prompt is empty glass, because it took a good bit of refreshing my knowledge of how to work with YouTube. But it was good fun, and I'm really pleased that they're all up there, and they're also on my website now as well, which is figmentcreativity.com. Okay, so I hope you all have your notebooks and your pen ready to go this morning. So your 6 minutes is starting now. Okay, everybody, that's your 6 minutes up. Keep going if you've hit a wee vein of gold. I'll pause this. If you have finished up with that, then by all means come back to it and edit it when you're ready. And thank you again for joining us today. Have a lovely day and happy writing, everybody. Thanks.